Good morning, class. How are all of you today?
Good.
Awesome. Joy, how are you?
Good.
Great. How was your weekend?
Good.
Good. Abby, how was your weekend?
Great.
Awesome. So, class, I'm glad you guys had a great weekend. So, what we are going to be doing today, do you guys remember what we learned last week? Remember? Does anyone remember? Raise your hand. Joy?
Metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis. And what can you tell me about metamorphosis? Do you remember? Abby, do you remember what metamorphosis means? No? Okay, well, let me remind you. Okay, so we have an example here. We have the butterfly life cycle. Remember that we went from an egg to a caterpillar to a cocoon or a chrysalis into a butterfly. Metamorphosis. Say with me. Metamorphosis. It means that there's a change that happens, okay? So I'm going to put this over here so you guys can keep looking at it in case you forget what it is, okay? Well, it's math time, so for math, we are going to work with shapes to make a butterfly life cycle. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to do a chart called KWL. Can you say it with me? KWL. Okay, so first we need to know, I want to ask, what do you know about shapes? Yes, Abby?
Shape comes in different sizes and colors.
Okay, so we know that shapes come in different sizes and color. Good. And color. Anything else? Joy, what do you know about shapes?
Shape can be in any sizes.
Okay, so they can be in any sizes. Can be in any sizes. Awesome. Okay, now let's think about what we want to learn about shapes. Because I know we need to learn more. What would you like to learn about shapes?
Can you combine shapes to make another shape?
Good question. Let's put that. Can we combine other shapes to make other shapes? Good. What else? Class.
Yes.
What else can we say that we want to learn about shapes? Is there anything else that you would like to learn, Joy? No? Okay, well that's great. So we're going to find out if we can combine other shapes to make other shapes. So today, before we do our activity, I want to play a video for you guys, okay? And this video is going to be about shapes. So I'm going to have you watch this, and we're going to be quiet so when we're going to be quiet so we can hear the video, okay? Ready?
Circle.
Circle.
Square.
Square.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Oval.
Oval.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
Heart.
Awesome. Did you guys like that video?
Yes.
What shapes did we see in the video?
Heart.
We saw a heart. What else?
Oval.
An oval. Any other shapes that we saw?
A rhombus and a rectangle.
Rhombus and a rectangle.
Square, triangle.
A square and a triangle. Awesome. Those are all shapes that we are going to be working with. So we are going to do an activity. Okay, and I am going to show you how I did mine. Yours is going to be a little bit similar, but I want you to make it your own. I want you to make it unique. Okay, so we learned, remember we said we learned about the butterfly life cycle, right? Okay, so what we did here, we're doing the butterfly life cycle using our shapes that I'm going to give you. So, but you are going to write your own, what shape you used on the bottom, okay? So I'm going to give each of you a sheet of paper. You are going to make 4 squares, okay? So go ahead, use your markers, and you're going to make 4 squares just like how I have here. Okay, so go ahead and start doing that. If you need help, go ahead and raise your hand. Don't be shy. Okay. Okay. Good job, Joy. Do you need help? You got it? Okay, if you need help, you can ask your partner. Okay, so we're going to make 4 squares. So let's go ahead and turn this and just try again. So you're going to make one in the middle. So go ahead and make a line in the middle. Good. Now you're going to make one going that way. Awesome. Now we have how many squares?
4.
4 squares. Okay, I'm going to give each of you your shape bags, and you're going to make your butterfly life cycle. Okay, I'm